Good morning guys, so welcome to the East Neuk of Fife. So this morning I am at a place called Krail. Absolutely fantastic. Sky's a bit blue at the minute. I'm shooting in the middle of the day. I'm going to be spending the whole day here travelling from Krail down to Pittenweem, Celadike, and spending the whole day out basically. So this morning, this shot of Krail itself, I've got my circular polarizer on, bit of a soft grad for the sky. Should really try my hard grad, but we'll see how we get on. But absolutely stunning day, and you've got to take advantage of this, really, haven't you? So look at the colour of that water, that is fantastic. I'm going to push down to the harbour, see what I can create image wise. So see you soon. So guys, I'm at I've made my way down to Krail Harbour, on the actual beach location. I never knew Krail was a nudist beach. There was a man, actually, might not be a nudist beach, but there's someone actually sunbathing naked. It's in February, sun's out, and someone's sunbathing. Anyway, each to their own. So anyway, back to photography. So I'm on a long exposure. Colours coming through the camera, absolutely gorgeous. Sky still a bit overexposed with the blue sky, like a bit of cloud in there, but hopefully that will happen at sunset. So let's get on, get some images done, and see you next location. Thanks guys. Hi guys, welcome to Celadike. Tad windy here, just had my drone up. Gotta be careful where you drone around here. Seagulls near enough took the drone down, so I got what I needed, just a quick aerial shot. What I'm doing at the minute, a bit of foreground interest, obviously that's anchor point there, and the colour of the houses. The sky's a bit blown at the minute, but I'm shooting middle of the day. I'm going to push around to somewhere over there, get some nice rock formations, and see what I can come up with. So I'll see you there. Bye for now. It's one of these places that you've got to really concentrate on finding the right composition. Don't get me wrong, there's probably hundreds of them, but I'm actually struggling here. It's like I'm slowly losing my mojo at the minute, but I've got like the pebbles and the stones, the harbour wall, and obviously the horizon. Out there you can see the Isle of May. But I'm going to move on from Celadike and push down to Pittenweem and Strother and see how I got on from there. But absolutely stunning place, and the weather is absolutely beautiful today. Absolutely stunning. Anyway, let's get on and I'll see you at the next location. Hi and welcome to Pittenweem. Still on the East Neuk, but this is going to turn out to one of those holiday snaps you see in magazines. A lovely blue sky, the colourful buildings, some smoothed out water. But I'm coming back here later on today to do a sunset shot. Hopefully the sky is going to turn nice and pastel, and I'll see you there. Bye for now. Hi guys, so I've made my way to Anstruther. You've already seen, if you looked at my previous episodes, I've done a sunset, that lighthouse across there. So I've made my way further south of Anstruther. Look at that, that is fantastic. Look at it, the saltire flags just perched on the rock. I've already got a couple of stills down on the beach down there. What I might try is a composite where I'm making a long exposure, then incorporate the saltire flag into it. We'll see how we go with that one anyway. But absolutely fantastic location this. Anyway, I'm going to push on, get some images done, and I'll see you at the next location. Hi guys, so welcome to this location here. So I'm at Tayport Lighthouse, just over the back here. In front of me, Dundee, the Forbidden Land at the minute. So this location here is quite a good one if you can time it with a tide. You can get the tide in a long exposure, but I'm waiting for the tide to go out. That sunrise coming up, I'll push down, get some rock formations, leading lines straight to the lighthouse, and see how that turns out. Anyway, let's get some images done, and I'll see you at the next location. Hi guys, so I'm returned to Pit and Weem to get a sunset image, but obviously it's not as what I wanted, but the clouds are looking quite dramatic, so I'm going to put it on long exposure and see how it turns out. But I'm going to get a still shot of that as well. That is quite a dramatic cloud, that. But behind me or behind you as I'm speaking, look at the Isle of May over there, and look at that. It's like Caribbean sky across there. Not quite, but you know what I'm on about. Anyway, look, nice and pink, turning nice and pastel over there. Isle of May. Yeah, let's get the camera set up and get some images done. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and look forward to future episodes on Scotland. Just got to wait for those travel restrictions to calm down a bit, then it's going to be up to the Highlands straight away. Anyway, enjoy the images, see you soon, thanks for watching.